Let's break down how patient monitors work. We're going to trace a vital sign, all the way from the patient to the pixel.
We're going to follow that journey, how the data gets collected, processed, and triggers those all-important alerts. Make no mistake, these machines are lifesavers. They're the vigilant eyes and ears in our hospitals. But there's a catch. Too many alerts cause what's called alarm fatigue. It's a really serious issue. So how do you get a good, clean signal? Well, it all starts with prepping the patient's skin.
Yep, getting this part right is the absolute best way to cut down on false alarms and get accurate readings.
Placement is key. Here you've got your standard 3-lead setup versus a much more detailed 6-lead one. And here's what's wild. Those same electrodes also track breathing by measuring tiny electrical changes in the chest.
Okay, so once the signal's in, the monitor has to do its magic. It turns that raw data into what we see.
Every single session has to be personalized. Staff punch in patient data to make sure everything's tracked correctly. And it's super customizable too. You can pick exactly which waveforms you need to record and look at later. So when something's off, an alarm goes off. They're tiered, from low-level warnings to major emergencies.
So, what actually makes an alarm go off? Knowing the cause is the key to cutting down on all those false alarms.
A lot of the time, the fix is pretty simple. For stuff like electrical noise, you might just have to move an electrode.
Right, now for keeping these things healthy. A reliable monitor is a well-kept one, and that's just critical for safety. The big rule? Only use approved cleaners and never let liquid seep inside the machine. That's a huge no-no. And it's not just cleaning. Things like the bladder and a blood pressure cuff need regular checks to work right.
Okay, so where's this all headed? This tech is evolving fast, moving way beyond the hospital room.
We're already seeing wearable sensors that monitor your health remotely, sending data straight to your doctor's office.
Which leaves us with a big question. What happens to healthcare when your doctor can monitor you from anywhere, anytime?